Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus and algebra. The topic today is about binomial expansion. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about binomial expansion. So for this one, that should be like this. We have the summation in here. K equals to number 0 to n. So this one we will have about the combination. That is about C, K, N. We multiply by A to the power of K and B to the power of N minus K. So in this situation, N that is about number 8 and A that is about S, B that is about number 2. So we change by number 8 in here, number 8 in here, number 8 in here. S, I will put this one cone here. Number 2, I will put this one cone here. On the question, they want to find coefficient of s to the power of 5. We have s to the power of k. So that means we change the value of k into number 5. So because we want to find coefficients, so we just concentrate about combination and number 2 in here. So I will put number 5 in here, number 5 in here. About combination, we have the formula in here. That should be about n factorial over k factorial multiplied by n minus k factorial in here. So for this one, that is about 8 factorial over number 5 factorial multiplied by a minus 5 factorial in here. 8 minus 5, we have number 3. So we calculate this one and we have that is about 448, and this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.